So Nicholas McGee's reporting, happy Tuesday, Memphis City Council, and of course to the White House. From Nicholas McGee, is a descendant of Victorian Village, Collins Chapel Historic District. You know, as a young Republican, I am like the only person who really pursued the dream of President Barack Obama coming here to Memphis, Tennessee. You know, I love promoting Memphis from an international point of view. So, you know, I don't understand the whole exact purpose of why the president came here to Memphis, Tennessee, and it should be more than just, you know, financial aid for Memphis children. So, you know, I love promoting Memphis, Tennessee. I love being a celebrity here in Memphis. So this is a hostile takeover from a young Republican because I love promoting the international point of view of Memphis, Tennessee with the unopened letter of President Barack Obama. Nicholas McGee's reporting, promoting Memphis Olympic bid as a young Republican. And President Barack Obama, I told you I was your pit hot. So every time you come here to the great state of Tennessee, you always talk to me, and that's a good thing that you're doing that. Nicholas McGee's reporting, hostile takeover, CNN icon of Memphis. President Obama, I told you I was your pit hot, also known as the governor for Tennessee governor. Love being that celebrity here in Memphis. CNN icon of Memphis.
President Barack Obama.
Thank you, Chris. Hello, Memphis. Congratulations to the class of 2011.
So Nicholas McGee's reporting, CNN, I report on Memphis, inspire my generations of public service here at the Amazon Fulfillment Center in Chattanooga, Tennessee. And look at the crowd out here. So many people out here ready to hear President Barack Obama, yes, that's President Barack Obama, to speak to the audience here in the great state of Tennessee. So President Obama, I told you I was your pit high. CNN,